Welcome to Project A Hot Wheels Monster Truck Crash Legends Series, Meyers Manx. This is a monster truck version of the Meyers Manx, the original dune buggy. Also other available monster trucks. Let's open it. We have the monster truck Meyers Manx with the slim tires in front. You can see those two nice headlights. A black and white Meyers Manx decal in the hood with a number 10. Clear blue windshield and a light brown roof. From the side you can see the Hot Wheels decal and again the number 10. At the back you can see the shine chrome engine as well as those brake lights. A combination of black and brown chassis underneath. Lastly, it comes with an orange Connect and crash car. What Hot Wheels monster do you want to see next? Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Follow for more Hot Wheels, Lego, and Gunpla content.